Hello everyone, I am Bruno Almeida and welcome to my channel BSA Code. I'm going to start a new series of videos showing how to begin a new website project. And maybe you can think, I need to have a great idea and the latest devices to make my projects good and perfect. And if you have them, great. But to tell you the truth, it's not necessary. Current, even a smartphone can do a single page very well, but if you have a laptop or desktop PC, you just need some text editor and you will be right. I will use the Visual Studio Code in my videos, but you can use another one like Sublime, WordPress, or another one like you are familiar with. You might use some IDE like Eclipse or NetBeans. All of them have good and bad qualities. You need to try each one and feel which is better for you. Tell me in the comments which one you choose and please, if you are enjoying this video, click on like. After you choose the text editor, you might think, I have no idea about what to do and how my website will be different from the others on the internet. So, I ask myself about it every day. But to start, we need practice. We need to see some websites, landing pages, web apps. And the secret is, we need to make them clones, many clones of them. When we make a clone of other projects, we will practice front-end skills and develop them. But we can't be lazy. You can't copy and paste the font code. You need to see the layout and try to do it best you can. After you make website clones enough, in some time you will say, I can do every front-end design. I am prepared to be a professional. In the next videos, we will start our hands-on and make our project. You will understand the difference between front-end and back-end and how it works. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope all of you enjoy it. Comment if you have any question or if you want us to make some website clone, website project. And please don't forget to click on like and see you next video.